Are you going? Yes. Hello, welcome back to Itsemgeee. Weird place to be starting this vlog series, if you may. I'm currently sat in the car park at Centre Parcs because me and Hannah are staying on site for a couple of nights, but unfortunately I have to go to work first. So I've arrived, the car is packed, there's people just walk past. I don't know why I've done it like right at the front of the car park, this vlogging, but hey ho. So yeah, gonna go to work. I'm finishing early. I'm gonna head back into Penrith, do some food shopping, meet Hannah after she's finished work, and then wanna come and check in. So yeah, let's go to work and I'll see you later. Bye! Hello! Oh, forget that camera. Hello! I'm back. It is 4:45. I've nearly done a full day's work. What is going on? I forget how manic the car park is at Centre Parcs on changeover day. Let's go get some food in and then come back to check in because we'll have Hannah. Yay! Made it out of Centre Parcs. Now the first shop of 3. Home Wagons. Oh, hello. No, I'm from below. Yeah, Home Wagons, and then we go to Iceland, and then we go all day, and then hopefully Hannah's here, and then we can get back because the traffic. Oh, it's cold. The traffic queue is quite bad on the way back in, so that's going to be fun. Ooh, please don't close on me. Let's pick up a basket. This is our shopping so far. I didn't think I was going to get much in here. I was going to get more in Iceland, but I think I might get it all at once in here. Manager's announcement. Oh, this light is not forgiving. My side of the day is done. I've did the shopping. Now I have to sit in the car park and wait for Hannah. Because they set off later than I thought they would. I thought it'd be like 5:10 when they set off. No. More like 6:30. Maybe 26 to set off. So hopefully we get in, unpacked, dressed, because I'm still in my work uniform for, I've got the Indian book tonight. Also I was going to get a lovely shot coming into Centre Parcs, but I feel like it's going to be, but it is dark, so I don't know what we're going to be able to see. But yeah, let's go on TikTok and hopefully not too much longer. You can't see it!
Boom, dark. It's pitch black. It's not even focused.
Oh god, hello. We've made it 15 minutes to our first dinner reservation, so let's go. I'm ready again. 2 minutes flat. But tea is in 5 minutes. 7:15 we got booked in and it's 10 past, so let's get a coat on and go. We're here.
Well, the lights are on there. I'm going to have some fruit.
Is my chicken tikka, delicious. Hannah's vegetable samosas. Food's here. How good does this look? I've got a jalfrezi chicken, garlic naan, boiled rice, potatoes, Hannah's got pilau, and I think she's got butter chicken. Well, I don't have the car keys.
You joking?
Indian has been demolished. Yeah, it's security picking somebody up. It was delicious.
Been there, that bike?
Yeah. So now it's time to go back to the apartments which we can clearly see, and depack the car, take the car back, come back. And mine has been stretched. It was all delicious.
I'm cold.
I forget how good the Indian is. Like, you know it's good, but just hits the spot. But yeah, let's go put the car back and we're gonna have to walk back to the apartment. When we drop the car off.
Yeah, that's what I was saying before. I might put a jumper on top because I'm that cold.
Yeah, it's quite cold. I did say this. I did text her this morning and was like, bring hat, scarf, gloves. It's cold. But yeah. Child's like. The night. The night is done. We've just sat and watched Kingsman with a cup of tea, and we're gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take my makeup off. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.